bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, I have a thrift shop haul video for you guys. I bought so many things today at the thrift shop. I cannot wait to show you. I found the most adorable things I have ever found. I mean, I'm super excited to show you. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to show you is what I Instagrammed this afternoon, which is this beautiful, oh my gosh, look at this adorable snowman. Oh my god, I love him. He's so cute. It's called Plum-Pudding Snowman. Miss Heather. I don't know. I've never seen this before. This is a brand. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is a brand. And it's brand new. It has the tags on it and everything. But look how fabulous this snowman is. Has the cute little outfit, the cute little fur jacket with the pearls, the fancy hat. She even has like a fancy handbag. It's just really super adorable. And I just love it. She has a cute little dress. Super cute, super cute. So much details. It's just really, I mean, a lot. It's just really fun and so cute. So I had to get her and I bought her. The other one that I bought that was similar was this one right here, which is absolutely adorable. It's also a snowman, but she is so cute. She's supposed to be like a ballerina snowman. So adorable. Look at the details on her shoes. How freaking cute is that? The ballerina slippers. She has the cutest little undies in the bottom, the cutest little tutu dress. I mean, she is so adorable. And the only bad thing about her is that she is really like, there's a fur, like she must have like feathers like stuffed in her, and there's feathers everywhere. But I'm going to clean her up so that that doesn't happen. But again, it has its own tag and everything. This is the brand. Never heard of this before in my life, but I'm happy that I came across it. It's so beautiful, so gorgeous. Okay, then I found some other stuff that I want to show you really quickly. I came across this really fun hold on, let me put this one over here. Don't fall. And I'm gonna put you next to her. You're so cute together. You're like meant to be together. You're so cute. Okay, so I bought these ornaments, which I thought was so beautiful. I loved it. I don't know. I just love these like old ornaments, and it just gives me so much, I don't know, joy. But it's really pretty. And I just saw that. I think is this broken? I turned it on to check to see if it works, because it has these little like electrical little wire that you connect to the light, and it works. It really does work. But look how pretty this is. It's so pretty. I thought it was awesome. And it says 1995, so I guess it's one of those like 1995 ornaments. But it's just so pretty, and just I love the horse, and I love the color. I just love everything. So I grabbed it because I just love how pretty it looks. Okay, and then I grabbed a few other things that I want to show you. Hold on, just give me a second so I can get everything. I should have done this before, obviously, but I didn't. Okay, so I also found I had two of these. Oh, I do. Okay, I knew it because I had plans for these little light bulbs. Okay, so I found these little light bulbs, which I have plans for. They're just like those like I don't know, those like tiers, like kind of like a tier size light bulbs, and these are the ones that they use for like the Christmas lights. I found these are kind of like the replacements of the light bulbs. I love them. They're green, and they're perfect for a DIY project that I want to do with you guys. And I also found this one in white. So this one I'm going to use to do a DIY project for myself, and then these I'm going to use to do a DIY project for the office. So that's going to be fun. I gotta really start doing videos because I feel like everything is going so fast. It's already like the 2nd of December and it's just going really quick. So I found these plates. I thought they were awesome. They're paper plates, but they have these really pretty Christmas trees on them, and I thought these would be perfect for an embellishment. Maybe we can do something with this. I don't know what. I saw them, it caught my eye, and I just grabbed them. But I really love that it has these Christmas trees, and the print is just really pretty. So I don't know what to do with this yet, but I know we'll find something to do with it. Okay, I found these. I mean, these are, I'm thinking in my mind of Easter, obviously, but I found these like carrot shape, and I thought these were really cute for Easter, so I grabbed it with Easter in my mind. I found these ornaments, which I thought they were absolutely awesome. I don't know exactly if I'm going to use these this year or if I'm going to save them for next year. I wanted to add these in some kind of kit, but I don't know. Everything is going so fast this year that I'm not sure what I'm going to do. But anyway, these are really awesome, like vintagey angels, and I love them. I thought they were awesome. So I grabbed like 4 of them because they only had 4. You guys remember these angels back in the 80s and in the 90s? I remember them. I really do remember when my mom used to use these in the Christmas tree. She used to decorate the Christmas trees using these angels. I so totally remember her using them. Here, this is open, so let me show you. I don't know. Do you guys remember? Do you like have memories of your mom using these angels back in like in the 80s and the 90s? I do. I sure do. Okay, so I got that. Then I found ribbon. You guys know me. I can't say no to ribbon. I know what you're going to say. You have gazillions of ribbon at home. You're right, I do. But I saw these and I could not say, like, no, I could not leave these behind. So I grabbed them. I thought they were beautiful. It's like a minty color. And this is gold. This is silver. I just thought it was beautiful. So I grabbed it. I can't say no to ribbon. It's one of those things that is one of my weaknesses is ribbon. Okay, I found these paper snack sandwich bags. I thought these were awesome because I can use these for a lot of things. I can use them for mailing out some goodies to you guys. I can use them for like envelopes. Look at these. Look how cute these are. They're just like sandwiches, like sandwich bags. But I love the size. It's not too big. And I love that I can stuff these with like a whole bunch of like, I don't know, like ornaments and like embellishments and, you know, cards, whatever. Anything you can really put your hands on, you can definitely stuff in here. I thought it was awesome. So I grabbed it. I was looking for more of these. I couldn't find any. Okay. Then I found... Okay, I think that's about it. Okay, then I found this book, which I thought it was awesome. It's a Christmas Carol book. I bought it for $2. I really liked it. I'm thinking of like kind of using the book pages to create some fun goodie bags, or even like pocket envelopes or some stuffed envelopes and stuff like that. So I thought this was really cool. So I grabbed it. I liked the idea that it's the Christmas book and it's gonna look really awesome. I already know what I'm gonna do with this. I have an idea. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but we'll see. We'll see if it works. Okay, and then I bought the last few other things that I want to show you is I bought this, and I don't know why. But it just kind of caught my attention. It caught my eye, and I just took it because usually when I go with like the idea of liking something for no reason, but always going back to the same thing, I just wind up getting it. So I bought these. I don't know. They're definitely vintage. Definitely vintage. But look at this doll, how beautiful it looks. And it's kind of creepy for some people, I know. But I thought it was awesome. I thought it was really interesting and just like, I don't know, like you look at this doll and you could tell it has like a nice, like a history to it, right? It's really, really interesting to me. It looks awesome. It's really tiny. I mean, you can tell it's like literally the size of my hand, but it's very squishy. It's definitely handmade. This is definitely made by hand. But I loved it. I thought it was just so vintagey, and I don't know, it just really, really caught my eye, so I grabbed it. Same thing with this one. This is even more smaller than the one I showed you. This is really beaten up though. This doll is literally absolutely beaten up. But I love that. That's really like one of the things that I loved about it. How so beaten up it looks, because it just looks like it's gone through so much. But look how adorable it is. How tiny. And the details on this like mini doll is unbelievable. Like I really wish I knew who made this, because everything is made by hand. The stitching is made by hand. The clothing is actually made by hand. Everything is just so detailed in this doll. I wish you guys can like see, but I don't know, it's just really crazy. And look at the body on the doll, how like exact it is, right, to a baby. Like the belly, it's like raised up. The legs are like perfect. The hands are perfect. The face is very vintagey. You see the face on him? So like, I don't know, there's so much history on this doll. I really wish I had more information on him. But anyway, I grabbed him because I thought it was super adorable. And then I grabbed these two little adorable mouse. Oh, he's so cute. I thought it was so adorable, but the only problem is that the it's broken. It's supposed to be like this. There are two little mouses in here, and they're supposed to come together like that, see? And it's supposed to kind of like hang like an ornament, like that, see? And it's broken right there. But I'm thinking that I might be able to do something with it. Maybe like add a flower or something. So I don't know. I'm trying to save them because they're just so cute. Look how cute they are. The little mouses in there are so adorable. I love them. And that's basically all I got, guys. I didn't really get that much more. And then I found this really awesome placemat. It's basically brand new. I don't know who makes this. It doesn't tell me who makes it. But anyway, I bought this placemat because I wanted to use this as the background to do my Christmas series stuff, because the colors are so nice and neutral, and I think it's gonna look beautiful with the colors that we're working with. And so yeah, so I got this placemat. It says here Park B. Smith Company. So I don't know who Park B. Smith Company is, but I bought this for $3, and you get 4 placemats. They're brand new. They even have the tags on it and everything. I thought it was really pretty color, very neutral, and it's gonna look perfect for what we want. And that's basically it, my loves. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this thrift shop haul video. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to see more detailed pictures of all this stuff. And I will see you soon. Love you all. Have an awesome, awesome night. Thank you for stopping by, my loves. Bye.